Welcome to Canton Fair Phase 2 Day 3. Today's video I'm going to show you the household items, furniture, bathroom items and new innovations, new product. And I'm covering all the phases of Canton Fair. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, you should subscribe my channel and you can go and watch my previous videos of Phase 1, Phase 2, Day 1, Day 2 because those videos were amazing because I have covered all the new innovations. So you should subscribe my channel and let's explore together. There is an alternative of foam and this technology, it came from Japan and it's a great business model as well, and it's also very good for health. And this is polyolefin elastomer and it has two kinds. One is for soft and the one is the hard one. For the hard one it can support, and for the soft one it would give you comfort. You can make the mattresses, pillows, and this factory they have expertise in for the kids, and they can make the pillows, mattresses, anything. And the best part of this one is it's high rebound, it's washable, you can wash it no problem. It is breathable and antimicrobial and food grade. Food grade means you can also touch the food can touch and won't have any problem. And it's also environmental because this is 100% recyclable, so I think which is amazing. So this is, I think, the great alternative and the best in price. And if you need more details, you can contact me. And because they are making different kind of stuff, and this factory is in China, Guiyang. And if you need further details, you can contact with me. This is a new technology and you can't find anywhere. And the best part is you can see you can adjust it anywhere, which is quite amazing. And there is a lock here as well. So I think this is a great thing. And the price is like $150. And you can also lock your position as well. And if you don't need the lock, you can buy this one. This is $140. And the MOQ is like 50 pieces. So this is a great technology, I think. Check out this tab. I think this is something good because it has multi-function. You can make the soda water, the sparkling water, the filter water, the cold water, the ice water, the warm water, and there's a light you can see. And for example, I want this mode, I just press here. And the best part, oh my God, this is so cold. And the best part, it will change the water instantly like this in just seconds. And yeah, so if you don't need this one, you can also use this tab as well. And there's a machine here. It can also filter the water as well. Check out this one. This is a whole package. It's just like the $500 and the MOQ is like 50 to 100 pieces. So I think this is also a good technology. Check out this one, and this is 2-in-1, and here you can there's a water, and the sensor is good, and here you can dry. The price is like $190 and the MOQ is like 50 pieces. So but the design is a new design, and I think it's great. Now check out this one. This is the top is like the tempered glass, and it has two, like 1 and 2. This is for the cold one and this is for the warm or hot water. And tempered glass here, ABS, and the price is like the $15.5 and the MOQ is 50 pieces as well. This is also a factory, and this is the white one and black one. They also have some other products as well. And if you need their catalog, if you need more details, you can contact me. Check out this one. You don't need to touch. It will change the light. It has sensor. So I think this is quite good innovation as well. So the price is like the $46 and the MOQ is like 50 pieces. And yeah, and this one is a little bit expensive because of there is a Bluetooth as well. There is no sensor. And yeah, you can change the colors as well, the light I mean, and it has speakers and you can listen to music, and the price is like $55 at 50 MOQ. And I personally like this one. Check out this one. I think the light is good, and yeah, so I think this factory, they have multiple mirrors, and they are quite good, especially this one. You can check it out. So I think if you need further details, you can contact me. Check out those mirrors. And this one, it has the speakers and yeah, different functions as well. So here you will get multiple mirrors that have technology. And check out this one. It's good. 2x, 5x. Oh my goodness. Yeah, so right now everything has technology, has innovations. I think this is a great product for e-commerce industry. Check out this one. There's a light here as well. So right now you don't need the extra light. It can change the colors as well. And there's 5x magnification, which is amazing. You can even see the pimple just like mountain on your face. And the price is like 4.2 FOB. Amazing. They have different things. And check out this one. Oh my goodness, this is 10x. You can change the lights here as well, and they have multiple options here, and they all are new product here as well. And let me show you one of the greatest product I have ever seen here. There is a fan on this mirror. Oh my goodness. You can change the light here, and right now whenever you are doing makeup, because I can understand a lot of females there, whenever they are doing makeup, they will take time because they want to look more beautiful, so they need some time. So right now you won't have any problem with the sweating or something. You can enjoy, you can look at your face, and which is amazing. So I think these products are quite good. If you need further details, you can contact me. We can grow business together. Guys, check out this one. This is quite viral right now, and you can swim, you can massage, and it has the screen as well. You can set the temperature, set the lights and everything. And yeah, so check out this one. You can also choose different sizes, and here you can set the temperature and everything. And yeah, and check out those tops. They're quite luxuries. Check out this one. This is for the old citizen and the people who can't walk, who can't stand, who can't sit. They can take shower here, and this is for the wash the hair. And this is, I think, very convenient as well. You just need to lay down here, and they can take shower. And it has multiple functions as well. One, two, three, four showers on the top, and also have warm air here. And you can control by your hands from here, and you can also see the patient, see the person who is inside, and they also have extra separate shower. So I think this is very convenient, but a little bit expensive, like $30,000. Check out this one. You have seen many videos of Ronaldo, Messi. They are running in the water. Actually, this is that machine, and it has many functions. But the price is a little bit expensive, like $48,000. And yeah, and it has camera. It can also do incline, and it can also connect with your watch, with your phone, and it can also warm the water. So it has multiple functions. So check it out. This one. I think this is very nice. And if you come here. This one, right now you don't need to buy the whole pool. You just need to buy this kind of machines, and for swimming. So it can adjust the level of the water as well, and for swimming is good. And the price is just $3,500. You have already renovated your house, renovated your toilet, but you haven't upgraded it to the smart toilet seat. You just need to buy this one. It has all the function. It is censored. It can do the hip cleaning, women cleaning, dry, and everything, lights and etc. Baby cleaning, etc. Also have a spa. So I think this is also a great option. It has multiple functions here and multiple options here. And the price is like $68, and you can order just like 5 pieces. And right now, I think this is a great alternative. And but the most important part is your toilet seat should be round, so it can adjust here. Check out this one. This shower has the filter here as well. You can also add the filter and take shower, and you can change the mode from here. And the quality is very nice. This factory, they are making all kind of water stuff like the pumps and this kind of things. So if you have any query, you can contact me, because you can see there's a light inside, but it's quite safe. And all kinds of pump in the water they're making. Check out this one. This kind of door also automatic, and it can control by password, fingerprint, NFC, voice, and password, multiple options. And you can also, this is automatic, you can also buy the manual one with password and this kind of stuff. And the quality is good of the, I think this is also a great option. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll cover all the phases of Canton Fair. I'll come here every single day, phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. So subscribe my channel, otherwise you will miss a lot of new products. And if you have any query instead of these products, you can contact me. I can be a sourcing partner here in China. And subscribe my channel. Stay premium.